Alrighty guys, in today's video I'm going to show you a way that you can make anywhere from about $160 to $200 per day possibility doing video and audio ads or voiceovers. Alright, so if this sounds good to you, it's pretty easy to do. It's all 100% free, and I'm going to show you a couple other bonuses in this video too that'll help you along that line. Alright, well if this excites you, let's go ahead, stick around here. We're going to get started on it here right now, but first of all, what we want to do is I want to invite all of those of you that are new to my videos or to my channel here. My name is Kevin Lehner, and I have the Freedom Motivator channel here. If this is your first time, anytime during the video, just reach down there, just think about it, click the subscribe button, and become a part of my channel. And don't forget to click the little notification bell there right beside it so that you get notified of when I upload new videos such as this one right here today. Okay, all right guys, well with that out of the way, also anytime during the video that you feel like it and you get some value out of it, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me. It'll help my channel out and the YouTube algorithm as well. Thanks guys, appreciate it. Let's go ahead and get started on this. I'm kind of excited to show this to you. It's a site right here. We're going to come over here to this site right here, guys. It's called Bunny Studio. You can see it right up here in the address bar. Look right here. It's bunnystudio.com. And this site, a lot of people come over here, businesses and people and individuals come to this site, and what they want to do is they want to hire freelancers such as you and me to create any audio voiceovers, any kind of writing or blog post or transcriptions, translations, or any kind of video ads or anything like that they may be looking for, and so on and so forth. And I'll show you here. And it says right here, it's One Hub, Infinitive Creative Services. And you can see that they do voiceovers here, audio ads, video, translation, dubbing, and others. And you can see some of the big name companies like Airbnb, Dell, Sonos, to name a few here, that use this site. In fact, this site gets pretty good traffic. If I come up here and I click on my similar web right here, guys, you'll see that it comes out. We're on the bunnystudio.com site here. And if we scroll up, you can see that this site gets about a little bit better than 250,000 visitors per month. And if I come up a little farther here for you, you can see that most of that traffic is coming from the United States here, guys, about 25% of it, and the rest of it from Turkey, India, Canada, and Colombia. So there's some pretty good top tier countries here. So you've got some good traffic coming to this site, and they will want to hire you to do their audio or whatever it is that you want to do. There's several categories that you can work this in, and I'll show you here as time goes on. And you can see here some of the samples that have here. These are audio, voiceover audios here, and audio ad samples, video samples right here, guys, video ad samples, top motion graphics, and top written articles such as blog content, and so on and so forth. And so some of the testimonies and stuff here about it. So, but these are for people that are coming here to look to purchase. All right. How can you make money though? That's what we're talking about, isn't that right? So, well, here, what you want to do is you come to this site, guys. First, you want to click on register right here, and you can register this account on this site. You can do a local account here. Just choose a good email address, a good password, and then your full name. Now, that's what's required. You see the asterisk there. Down here you can add your company name if you want to, or your phone number and country, and then click create an account. Or you can just sign up with your Google account right here, guys, or your Facebook account as well. Rest assured that they most likely will send you an email confirmation, so you want to get that validated. Come back over and get logged in. But what I want to do is to show you some of the voiceovers in audio. Now that's what I'm picking on today for you as a way to make money, but you can see that you can get into writing, translation and transcription, video and animation, even design, graphics, and photography into this as well. So you can have many different freelance jobs on here that you can do. But I'm picking on this one here, the voiceovers and audio here. So if we click on that and then just click here on search, we can see sort of what some of these people are doing. And the nice thing about this site too, guys, is that you can set your own price that you want to sell your service with. And then right here, as you can see, anywhere from 25 all the way up to, well, 1.3 million here, guys. So, but like I said, I would pick a price right in the middle here, around 161 to about 320, which will get you around $200. I would set your price, since you're new, set your price right in that range right there. But you can set it to whatever range you want. It's totally up to you. You can see right here that these are just voiceover audios here, guys. And you can see that they're only 30 seconds long here, and they're making $170 right here. This particular freelancer here is asking $170 for a 30-second long audio, and he'll do commercials and advertising that you can set up for, and it's in Hungarian language, guys. So if you're you can use in a different part of the world, you should be able to work with this site and set up your freelancing gigs on this site and make money as well. You can see here's another one for 30 seconds, guys. I mean, those audios are just slow. There's short audios and not long. It doesn't have to be long. None of these are longer than 30 seconds here. Some are less. Some are 23 here. And you can see the prices that they're charging here as well. And 15 seconds here, 30 mostly, and so on and so forth. So, but how would you do that? What you want to do is you want to come up here at the top and come under freelancers right here, and you see right here it says, "Will become a Bunny Pro." So you click right here, and then after you get signed in, you can click right there and come over here, and it talks about become a Bunny Studio Pro today, and it talks about here no subscription fees, work with clients all over the world, guys, get paid for every audition, and let us handle the tough work, dedicated team of experts, manage your own schedule, so you can work pretty much whenever you want to doing this particular freelancing work right here. So you can do, like I said, voice artist, writer, translator, transcriber, audio producer, video producer, designer, and even audiobook voice artist. You can get in on that as well. And how to apply, guys, is right here. Just choose a category, which these will be one of the categories here, and then fill in your details, submit your application, wait for their feedback, and then you just start earning right off the bat, just that easy. And then you just want to click right here to apply now after you get logged in to your account, after you registered here on this site. So you may be saying, well, I'd like to be able to do the voiceover and audio, Kevin, but I'm not quite sure how to do that. Well, I'm going to recommend a product to you here that is 100% free, and maybe most of you may have heard of this before. It's called Audacity, and you can look right up here in the address bar. I'm at audacityteam.org, guys, and you come over here. This is a free open source cross-platform audio software that you can use to create those voiceovers, those 30-second voiceovers that you've seen over here on this site in these audios. Now, you can do, of course, like I said, you can do other categories here, but I'm just showing you the voiceover audios here. And you can just do that and use Audacity, and all you're doing is using your voice. You're not showing your face or anything like that. It's just your voice, and you can create whatever your customer who hires you on here, whoever chooses your gig and they want it, you can use Audacity to create that 30-second clip for them, or whatever long they want it to be. I would imagine it would be 30 seconds or less, and you create that little voiceover advertisement for someone who hires you, and then you just get paid according to whatever you set your price at right here, guys. And you can see that these people are getting paid here. We can tell by the likes right here. It's 2. Here's 29 right here, guys, and 15. That's what we know. The people that purchase these, it could be, well, it could be way more than that, into the hundreds possibly. We just don't know. All we have to do to go by is by how many people have liked the particular service. So the same thing to do, guys. You want to come over here today and get started on this, and then you can click and become a Bunny Pro right here and get involved in this and be able to make yourself some money setting up a gig in the voiceover and audio section of this site. And you can do as many others if you want. Frankly, I would think that the more that you would have gigs that you would have set up on this site, well, there's more chance of making even more money, because you have more lines in the water, right? So not good to throw just one fishing line out. You want to throw about 10 of those out there, and you'll be the one to catch the fish more often than somebody who's just got one out there in the water. You understand what I'm saying? The more gigs you have, the better chance you're going to have to make even more money on this site. Now, I told you guys earlier that I had two. This was one that I wanted to show you, that you can work and make these voiceovers real easy with this free software called Audacity, and they have all kinds of really cool features with it. You just come here to audacityteam.org, download this, install it on your computer, and you can get it for, well, like it shows here, Windows, Apple, and Linux even, guys. Audacity is a really good program. I've used this a lot in the past, and it's a really good free program. Now, the other one I wanted to show you, the bonus on this, guys, is right down here. If we come, well, we can just come up here to the About Us right here at the top, and we come over here, and you see right here where it says affiliates, guys. Yep, they've got an affiliate program here on this site that you can get involved in as well. That's two ways to make money on this particular site, guys. And you can click here and join and earn this, or refer our creative project fulfillment service and earn money. And if we come down here, it says share your link when you join up, and we'll do the work on your customers, and you get paid. And when the work is approved, we pay you up to 50% or up to $100 per each person that you refer here to Bunny Studio, who chooses, and they might even choose your gig too. How cool would that be? You made money two ways now at that point. And then, so that's how you would do that, guys. Come over here, click on Join and Earn here, and you can sign up for the Bunny Studio affiliate program, guys. And you can market it, well, like at Facebook. I mean, you know, just Reddit. You can go to Quora and market from there. You can market in LinkedIn. You can market in Pinterest. Just use your creativity, even Instagram, and market your affiliate links out there and drive people to Bunny Studio, and that'll make you money two ways, even with your gig as well. So guys, that's the video that I had for you today here. It's bunnystudio.com, when you can come over here and get involved in this site and be able to make some pretty good money as a freelancer here on Bunny Studio, and even using Audacity software to create your voiceover gigs, guys, and set it up here on the site and allow people to see what you can do. Alrighty, guys, come over today and get started on that. I hope you liked this video. If you did, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you did. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you didn't, and hit the notifications bell. And if you have any comments about this video, just leave them down below, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, well, you want to click down there in the top of my description where it says mentorwithkev.com, and come over and watch my free video presentation that will show you how you can learn to be a high-ticket affiliate marketer starting even today as well. Alrighty, well guys, I'm going to let you go with that, and I'll see you again here in a few days on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have a great day, and bye-bye now.